Hi, I'm Albert Dros and I often get asked what are the best camera settings for landscape photography? Honest answer, there are no best settings. Every landscape needs a different setting, but there are definitely some tips I can give you. Composition dictates the settings. For my compositions, often wide angle shots, I often use f11. I want to have everything from front to back sharp. Of course, there are some exceptions when I want the foreground out of focus on purpose, or maybe I'm photographing animals where I want the background out of focus. But most of the time I want everything from front to back sharp. So I think about how the image should look and then I look at the settings. A good help for composition is to turn on the grid lines on your camera. They're usually called rule of thirds grid. With the rule of thirds grid, you make sure that your balance in the frame is correct. You have usually 1/3 of sky and the rest is the land. Of course there are exceptions, but the rule of thirds is definitely a great help for a good balance in your photo. I often use the 2-second self timer because I'm often shooting on the tripod, so I don't want my tripod to move a little bit when I press the shutter button. So I set up this 2-second timer, press the button, the camera takes 2 seconds and take the shot. Of course you can use a remote as well, but I often forget it and sometimes I'm lazy to take it, so the 2-second timer most of the time just works perfectly fine. The focus mode for landscapes, it doesn't really matter that much what you use. I just use autofocus and then I make sure the focus is perfect and then I lock the focus so that it doesn't move and just use that most of the time. Make sure you check occasionally because you can bump the ring of your lens to change the focus a bit, but autofocus and then lock it for me is the way to go. The shutter speed, if I'm shooting handheld, of course it needs to be relatively fast, but if I'm shooting on the tripod, I don't care that much. If the scene is completely still, I usually shoot, if I'm shooting f11, f14, I need a little bit slower shutter speed to get a perfect exposure. I don't care too much about that. I'm shooting anyway from the tripod. When I'm shooting handheld, it's much faster. When I'm shooting very long exposures, 1 or 2 minutes, usually it's for the water very smooth or for the clouds. You need the tripod, 2-second timer, and then of course the shutter speed of around 2 minutes. So the shutter depends of course on many things, but mainly on what kind of shot you want to take, your idea. Do you want everything very smooth or do you want to add a lot of drama? Then you need a very fast shutter speed. So it all depends on what you want. And also the elements I mentioned before, same thing. It's about your idea and then you look at the settings that you're going to use. Even if I tell you the exact camera settings of this shot, when you're going to be here, you're going to use probably completely different settings. It all depends on the light and the movement of everything. Hope you liked the video. If you want to know more about my signature Parka Pro jacket, check the link in the description below. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, like, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.
Haukland Photographer's Clothing.